welcome to Sparklebox. What comes to see us every day at the night? The moon and the stars. And today we are gonna make an origami paper star. Let's quickly have a look at it. We just need two materials to make this, and they are origami sheets and a marker. We are taking a square paper sheet of yellow color to start our DIY. Now, pinning to the center, make a triangle using alternate folds. We have made many more different types of stars. Do you wanna try them? Then check out in the description below. And don't forget to like and share this video